Alright guys, we're here at a Quaker Steak and Lube in Brick, New Jersey that's closed down. I'm not really sure when, but I'll find out for you guys. As you see, the sign is completely taken off here. You only see the black, white, and checkers on the bottom there, part of the sign. And we're in Brick, New Jersey again, guys. Car wash here. There's also a shopping plaza right here. See, what is it? The Brick Plaza. Yeah, it's the Brick Plaza. And you'll still see that there's PetSmart, I think LA Fitness, Immediate Care, Barnes & Noble's, an AMC movie theater, Ultra store, and you see parts of the store right here. Here's also an Atlanta bread. So here we're gonna check this out. I'm not really sure why it's closed down. It looks like a nice place. Here they have this fenced out. This is probably where they had the bar area during the summertime. That's pretty cool. Look at this door handle. I don't know why this place closed down. It seemed like a nice place to me. I don't know how long they've been in business for before. Maybe a long time. Wow, it's pretty big inside there. Let's check the other area, guys. Maybe I can get some of it. ID required for gift card sales, $100 or more. This is a smoke-free establishment, so you couldn't smoke in there. That included vapes and e-cigarettes. And they also had I guess a bar section right here too. Some flags here. Got a view of that. Gonna walk around. Shit. I'm not really sure when it's closed. Maybe last year or 2 years ago. Let's see. Closed, of course. Here's probably another eating area, the dining room area. Yeah, they gutted everything out of this place. At least that's one good thing they did. Kept the place clean. See a sign here. It says voted best wings in the United States, really? Then why did they close down? Doesn't make sense to me. Maybe they moved to a different location. I'm not really too sure. I think I see some mold on the top left over there. I'm not really sure if that's mold or maybe it's something else. Maybe it was not that clean after all inside the store. As you can see, guys, there is the movie theater, AMC, right here. Not too sure if they're closed or not. Like temporarily closed because of the COVID. There's also another store here. I don't don't even know if it's closed or not. Looks like a Target. Also an LA Fitness. You know, I could check that out after this video, see what it's all about. If that's a Target, that's nice. I'll record that. It looks like a Target, guys. It really does. I'm gonna check it out though. I just recorded a 7-Eleven, but in Tom's River, but couldn't really see anything in that place. So I was like, I'm not gonna post it on YouTube because it's not really that. If you can't get much of a view inside and it's all covered up, then I'm not gonna try. What kind of card is this? Oh, it's a Home Goods. Wow, they had a big dumpster area. Oh, it's the delivery hours. 11 to 2. I think they had a sign here that was completely taken off right here. Another cold day, guys. We just went into winter like last week, I think. I think it was a Monday. Or it was this week. This one is closed. I'm not even gonna attempt to go in. I just wanted to record this real quick for you guys. See if I could get a view over here. Wow. Pretty decent sized restaurant and bar area, I would say. Guess that's where the bathrooms are there. The employee area must be here on the right side. Can't really see that much because of the glare. Yeah, how you doing, guys? Well, here's another door here. There's the other side of the bar. Oh, there's a cop car there. I think I should move my car. Well, they had a rewards program here. You get free wings, steak, and burgers. Before they had it, well, it's closed now, so no longer available. Well, they had 2 cop cars. That was going on over there. Alright, guys. So this is the closed down Quaker Lube, Steak and Lube in Brick, New Jersey. That is closed down for I don't know how long. So we're gonna move on to the next video. I want to see if that that Target store is closed down there. I'm gonna check that out real quick. Get back to you later. Peace.